Do you think you can make a better burger than this? This burger gonna be trash, dude.
I don't know how I got here.
I love it so much. It's good, and the egg yolk kind of hides the color of the meat, so we don't actually know if it's cooked or not.
We're on the street at Smorgasburg, LA.
We're gonna find out if anybody can make a better burger than this one.
If they do, they get all the money in this briefcase. I'm Eli.
I'm Sandwich.
And this is Kitchen League Street. All right, before we start picking people off the street, I'm gonna make our baseline burger, and Sandwich is gonna rank it.
You have 10 minutes on the clock. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, meat. So here's how Kitchen League Street works. It's a cooking competition where you're always competing against the last guy.
What is that? Why did you just use the onion as like a hot pad and then you threw it away?
The theme of today's episode is cheeseburgers. I'm gonna make my burger, and if the next person can outcook me, then I'm gonna give him some cash. Look at this bad boy.
How do you feel about this?
I feel great. I love the color on it.
Yeah, that looks so good. I love it so much.
All right, do you think this is gonna be hard to top?
Absolutely not.
Can you make a better burger than this?
I could do it right now.
All right, what's your name?
My name is Ernie. Ernie, like from Sesame Street, yeah.
Like Ernie from Sesame Street. We're gonna give him 10 minutes, and he has to cook a better burger than the last person, and he has to impress our judge, Sandwich. 10 minutes on the clock, let's go. All right, get your groceries.
Let's go. Yes.
What are you thinking? What's going through your mind?
So-
How you gonna make this like a Foodbeast worthy burger?
I think what I'm gonna do is make a smash burger, but my twist is gonna be, I'm gonna make a peanut butter bacon burger.
Oh.
Peanut butter bacon burger?
Okay.
Yup.
So do you cook regularly or are you just going fancy? You're going from 0 to 100?
No, I cook pretty regularly.
Oh,
Shout out
okay.
to my mom. She taught me everything I know.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
You're a teacher?
Yeah, I'm a teacher.
What
Nice.
grade do you teach?
Oh, everything.
Everything?
Elementary,
He said,
middle school,
"Ugh."
high school, adults.
Are you a tutor?
I work for a nonprofit, but cooking is my second passion. I don't think I want to use these buns. I think let's head over to the donut shop, right?
Go get a donut.
Thank you. Let me
Yeah.
cook.
Are you gonna cook the patties?
He's improvising.
this.
Oh, look at him go!
Let's see if it works.
Damn.
What the hell?
10 seconds.
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle away from the plate.
Okay.
Give it up
Oh my
for
God.
Ernie.
Huge.
Give it up for Ernie.
My peanut butter hands.
Big. Should we try it?
Let's try it. Go
We
ahead,
should try
Sandwich.
Try it? It's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with bacon. It's so good.
Yo, that's amazing. Hell yeah. All right, Ernie. You just cooked.
I did just cook.
Before we find out if you won, let's find out how much money you were playing for.
Okay. Okay. That's enough to fix the car. Yes, sir.
Whoa! All right, Sandwich. Did he beat that last burger?
It's a lot of Benjamins. That's Benjamin, right?
There's Benjamin,
That's
Mr.
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Okay,
Mr.
perfect.
Benjamin.
I am a real sucker for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I think that you nailed it. And for that reason, I'm in. You won. Congratulations.
Hell yeah!
Ernie.
I can carry this
That's
thing?
all you, bro.
Oh!
That's all you.
This is like real. It's like
real.
a luggage. This is real. This is real money.
Give it up for Ernie, everybody.
I love my mom. Shout out to my mom.
Let's see if someone can beat that burger. Can you make a better burger than this?
Absolutely.
You have 10 minutes, dude.
10 minutes. Let's do it.
Impress Sandwich.
All right.
It's hard.
10 minutes on the clock. Go get your ingredients, bro.
All right.
Are you brainstorming?
Yeah, what's going through your mind?
what are you thinking?
Brainstorming. I think, you know, how I got 10 minutes, how hard do I want to go? I
I
think
mean, you
we'll
want
do
to
the egg.
win.
Go hard.
Maybe we'll make a little aioli or something.
Oh, we making an aioli.
Thought that was the part around your nipples.
When does the 10 minutes start?
It started.
10
great.
minutes ago.
All right.
We have 8 minutes left. Okay, Jake got everything from the pantry.
First person to grab an egg.
I hope we finally see a fried egg.
We're gonna do a little beef, little pork.
So how have you ever made a burger before?
I've made a burger
Yeah?
or two.
So you're confident right now?
I am thinking maybe this was a little bit heavy on pork.
He's going for
Yeah.
some sort of like fancy fancy cut. Everybody has like wildly different preferences on tomato slice size.
All right, what's the burger standard for you? Where do you eat if you're going out for a burger?
At home with my grill is always a good spot.
Yeah, he's cooking. He's cooking right now. He's going for the first fried egg.
We're burning butter. Who
is
set
good.
that burner?
Both of my arms are broken, it wasn't me.
What's the theme? What's the vision?
The vision is I would love to, in the time, I want to like toast a bun. I want to get some grilled onions, maybe avocado if there's time.
That's a huge burger.
Is there like a little bowl I should like mix a sauce in or something like that?
I could hold my hands like this, and then you could
probably not
mix
a good
it in
idea.
there.
It's kind of sick.
The moment you throw aioli on there, you sound a little fancy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm here to impress
right,
you.
press everybody.
Oh!
Yeah!
60 seconds.
Pinky's got it.
Oh, it's on.
That burger has its own zip code.
4, 3, 2, 1. And he got him! Yeah!
All right.
All right. Oh, damn.
Stop it. It's good, and the egg yolk kind of hides the color of the meat, so we don't actually know if it's cooked or not. Should I plate it? Maybe just grab one of these.
Yeah, we're talking about the sections that you probably can't eat.
Yeah. The burger is actually cooked better than I thought it was. Look,
Sure.
I want to be mean and I want to yell at somebody, but it's
Can you eat pork with the pink? The pork with pink. Can I eat this? What do you mean you can't eat this? Whoa, you can't eat this.
We're past the point.
You really flew way too close to the sun. For all the money in this suitcase, was his burger better than the last one?
Oh.
Did Jake cook a better burger than the last person?
The burger was really good, but there's two things wrong. The first thing is that there was raw pork, and the second thing is that I really want to use this leaf blower. So unfortunately, it was not as good as the last one.
Now I just need someone who can make a burger that's somewhat edible. That's it.
You think you can make a better burger than this?
Yeah, I could.
Oh! All right, let's go. All right, Saga Boy, you are in the world's finest kitchen, and you have 10 minutes.
3, 2, 1. Good luck. So what are we working on? What's your thoughts?
I don't know how I got here.
No? Do you cook often?
No,
No?
This is the first thing I'm cooking in a long time.
I don't think that you're gonna have to work too hard to be better than what he made, though.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna be honest with you, yeah.
If you eat burgers, where do you go?
Burger She Road, the burger at the place where I'm sitting, Bike Shed is fire.
See, going with like an appropriate amount of onions, you know?
That's an acceptable amount of onions.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got good technique.
Not bad.
What kind of music do you make?
Turned futuristic R&B is like,
Like if R&B was in Tron?
I like that kind of, yeah.
The latest beat from Sugar Boy? Bye.
Girl, I know you see what's going on. Girl, can't you see what's going on? 12 minutes speeding, my heart drive, I'm kicking.
There it is.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Prove this burger to sandwich. Tell it about it.
It was made by Saga Boy, so that's all you need to know
Right,
for real.
okay, right.
Oh God. Give it to me.
The patty tastes good.
Wow.
It's definitely cooked.
Wow.
For all the money in this briefcase, sandwich, did he beat the previous one?
Well, I think that his was better.
This is all yours.
Give it to the people. I got bands.
Let's go.
Appreciate it.
I just want to give away money. Can anyone out here cook?
Excuse me. You guys think you can make a better burger than this?
Should I do it? I think you should try it.
What's your name?
I'm Haley.
Are you like support?
Moral support.
10 minutes, you have to impress sandwich. Go.
So do you have any thoughts, any ideas of what you're gonna make?
Maybe barbecue, bacon, burger?
Barbecue
Barbecue bacon burger. Have you made a burger before?
I haven't made one in a really long time.
What are your thoughts with the seasonings?
I don't know. There's too many. That's
Okay.
my thought.
Maybe just like close your eyes and pick some. Just go with the basics. Salt, pepper, garlic.
Garlic,
What's your favorite hamburger?
5 Guys.
Five Guys. This burger gonna be trash, dude.
No.
Oh my God.
We'll see how it
Five
goes.
Guys.
Okay, what's your favorite burger place?
In and Out.
She's the first person to try to make a shape out of her patty.
So what's gonna make it barbecue?
The barbecue sauce that I'm
Okay.
gonna be adding at the end.
Very nice.
Did you check if we had barbecue sauce?
Let's just cut. I did, and we do.
Yeah. There you go.
do
there
it
you go.
Oh, that's crazy. 3 minutes left. There's more fumes than the last cook.
That's true.
So
And
this
I
is-
set off the smoke alarm, so be careful.
There's a smoke alarm?
I think it's gonna be good actually. 10 seconds.
You got this. You got
9,
this.
8, 7,
Oh, got it.
6, 5, 4,
A beauty.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Nice.
Okay.
So one thing to note about this burger is that it's warm. Unfortunately, that is really good. Yeah.
This reminds me like the Carl's Jr. Western Bacon Cheeseburger. For all the money in this case, did she make a better burger than the last person?
$2 bill.
I don't know if this hurts or feels good, but the ladies always win. It was a better burger. So congratulations. Buy yourself
$2
something
bills.
nice.
That's a wrap for Kitchen Lee Street at Smorg Sandwich. Thank you for judging. Thank you for being
Thanks
here.
for having me. I appreciate it.
Yo, leave a comment down below and let me know where you guys want us to show up next on Kitchen Lee Street.